Well, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another video once again today. Now, I feel like I have not said that in a great while, which I haven't. I have not uploaded in a month, but I don't really think I need to explain that because there's just no reason to take that time to explain because I got fishing to do. Stuff's been going on, so haven't really been able to get out in the water a lot, but there's been some other things that I've been doing pretty much every weekend, and that's baseball, one, and turkey hunting. I've been filming all my turkey hunts, but my luck has been zero lately. I didn't get a turkey youth season, I didn't get a turkey regular season so far, which is still 2 more weekends left, and I'm going to be turkey hunting this weekend. So tomorrow I'll be making a turkey hunting video, today's a fishing video, and I'm about to get out here and try to catch some bedfish, which I'm not sure if they are on beds anymore. I haven't been up here in forever to fish. Usually we come out here at night and then go turkey hunting in the morning, and then we gotta leave because of baseball, so I just haven't had that much time to fish lately. But today, I'm gonna get out there. I'm not sure if they're done spawning or what. There's probably still some spawning, but a lot of them are probably done in the post spawn. If you can find a bedfish, that'll be awesome though. Got the old boat out, old reliable from last year, and a lot of years. Just my YouTube career has only been in the shows for 1 year. Love this dude. Ain't that right, sweetie? Oh yeah. She's a little dirty, might sink, have a few holes in her or something, but she's good. Man, I love these days and I miss these days too. Finally, getting able to be back out here doing it, just rolling around in the summertime on the good old boat. We're just gonna start out with the good old chatterbait, see what these fish are munching on. See if they want the good old chatterbait. Got the trolling motor set on low. I'm just gonna wiggle away down this bank. Crank her up one. Alrighty, here we go. Sexy shad, first cast. Oh God! Did have one. First cast, I had a bite. Oh my gosh, it came off again. That was a little one though. It wasn't big, I'm 100% on that. Last year we tried killing those pads over here. I don't know if you guys remember, a ton of pads were growing back here in this cove. And knocked out a lot of them. Finally this year they did not come back, so that's a good thing. We got dead pads back there and the fish can have that for cover. And we got brush piles in here. We're just, these pads, you couldn't get through them to fish them. But now they got our brush piles going, they go up in the grass, our reeds. Actually, I'm gonna toss that lure up in these reeds right here. No! Dude, that fish jumped out of the water. God dang, how, is my hook too tucked in? Well, man, oh man, I'm gonna turn the camera off till I catch a fish. It's moving pretty slow right now. Gotta find them, gotta figure out what they're munching on. Turn the camera back on whenever I figure, oh, there's fish, never mind. I'm gonna keep the camera on. Turn that trolling motor. Ooh, little dude. Dankaroo. Pretty fish though. See, dude. He took my bait. I think we'll switch up color a little bit anyway. Go to these missile baits. I love these missile baits. I think this is the, what is this called? I forgot the colors. midnight something. Alrighty. Might be getting into the bass territory now. No other dink. I think it's the same fish. Hooked him in the same spot. Uh-oh. Oh, please still be on. No, it's not. Stay pinned. And I don't know if he's on still. Oh, I think he's off. I don't see anything. Yep, he's off. They're tiny, dude. These tiny ones are liking it today. Might have to remove some tiny fish again this year. A couple years ago, we had to do that because we caught too many, and that's whenever this pond came really good for catching big fish. Now I think we're getting overpopulated with tiny dudes again. We're fine. Bad conditions for summer fishing if it's already past spawn. Big lakes have not hit a spawn yet though, so those are still in the picture. Some feels a little bit bigger. Yep, good one. 2-pounder. Maybe more. That's a real good fish. Boom. Ah. Woo. There we go. Check him out. This is a big upgrade. Oh. Alrighty. Big upgrade there. Good fish. Really good fish. Alrighty. See you later, Ricky. Oh, looks like a big red belly. Another one, golly. They're hitting down. And besides, it's a tiny one again. As day progresses, get more bites. Ooh, there's one. Oh, he spit it. Another tiny one though. So many tiny fish. Golly. Didn't even engage my hook. See, I put a brush pile. Not really a brush pile, but it's a pile of like, I don't even know what you'd call it honestly, but it's like a brush pile, similar to a brush pile, but not a real brush pile. It's fake. It's artificial. Still works though. Not as good, but it still works. Anyway, put it out here and where it's just sticking out above the water, but that was whenever the water's really low and I wasn't really thinking that day. So I just put it to where you could barely see the tips sticking out. Oh. That dude was right on the bank. Ooh. Oh, it was barely hooked. Another bigger fish. Grab this one. Alrighty. Check him out. I don't think he's the biggest one of the day. The second biggest, maybe. About 1.5 pounds. Just stay away from here. Backs back out. Alrighty, there we go. Pretty close to the second. Whoa. Why is he going that way? Anyway, pretty close to the last couple that we had, besides a little bit smaller. Ooh. Guys, I turned the camera off because freaking dude, I wasn't catching nothing. Now I just hooked into like a good 3. Oh yeah! I was just streaming along this bank like I've been doing the whole day, just along banks. And bam! I ran into this dude. That is a good fish right there, a good 3-pounder. 2.5, 3. Leaning more so to 2.5, but God, he's a good fish. Well, get the release on this dude now. See you later, big guy. Oh, nice and easy. Man, I love whenever them fish just swim away nice and easy. Greatest feeling in the world. Alrighty. Well, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. And let's hope that tomorrow I can knock down a turkey. If I do, then it'll probably take me a day or 2 to edit the video. So, probably be this video. And then if I shoot a turkey, I should be expecting a video 2 days after this video. So 2 days from now, hopefully we have a turkey video. But if we don't, then we'll see what happens on my fishing schedule. It's just really hard for me to make videos right now. Since my dad was just out of work, or not out of work, out of town for work. And my grandma broke her leg. She runs me around a lot. And it's just tough. Grandpa owns a business. He's busy. Summertime coming. And it's just tough to get rides now. But, hey, we can find one. We can find one sometimes. Oh, whenever we do, we're gonna be hoping to slay some fish. Now, I also might do a challenge, another challenge. This is the challenge I did last year. I might do it at this pond. It's catching 30 fish in an hour, which we didn't do, but that pond, we did do that before, so I figured I'd try that challenge. So I did last year, and we had no luck, but we recently went to this pond, and all the fish are there, and they're really tiny, but we tried to do it anyway, and I don't know, we may or may not have succeeded. Caught a lot of fish. So that's pretty fun. So I could make a video there. If I do, sweet. If I don't, well, I don't know. But we'll have a video here shortly. Hope you guys enjoyed this one though. I'm gonna get this boat pulled up now. And I'm gonna go roost some turkeys. Wish me luck tomorrow and hope you all have a great night.